Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first of class third. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. Students, in this video, I am going to give you lesson number 5 explanation and exercise A. So, not further delay, check out your book. Here's your book. And first of all, I am going to give you your homework answers. Here, these answers I have given you as homework. I hope you all have done it. If you have done, then you have to tell your answers from here. See, your third question was cook does he well. You have to arrange it in correct orders. So the answer becomes does he cook well? After that question mark. Okay, now next they have do a rabbit. So the answer is do they have a rabbit question mark. Now next fifth does like she milk. Answer is does she like milk? Sixth, speak they do Hindi. Answer is do they speak Hindi? Next, they swim do every Sunday. So the answer is do they swim every Sunday? Students, just tell your answers from here. If you have done wrong, then you have to correct. Okay, after all every sentence you have to put question mark. Now come on, next fifth chapter. Your fifth chapter is noun. Today I will explain it. Now listen. First of all, student, here is the definition of noun. This you have read in second class also. You all have to learn it. I have mentioned here learn it. So the definition of noun is words which are used for people, places, animals or things are called nouns. जो words हम लोगों के लिए, किसी जगह के लिए, किसी जानवर के या किसी चीज़ के लिए यूज़ करते हैं उसे नाउन कहते हैं. ओके, हेयर यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. कविता इज़ रीडिंग अ बुक. हेयर कविता इज़ मेंशन विद पिंक कलर. सो यू सी हेयर योर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस द वर्ड कविता इज़ द नेम ऑफ ए person. Here in this pupil is here person name is also called noun. Here kavita is the noun. Now next, the dog barks at the strangers. Second is the word dog is the name of the animal. Same is here. He lives in Kolkata. Kolkata is a place name. And the next is he rides a pen. So pen is a thing name. So these are the examples of noun. Now next I am going to explain you types of noun. Students, here is the type of noun. The type of nouns are common noun, proper noun and on next page collective noun. First of all, I will explain you common noun. Listen it carefully. Common nouns are the name of people, animals, places and things of the same kind. Students, common noun वो noun होते हैं जो किसी इंसान का नाम होता है, किसी जानवर का नेम होता है, किसी जगह का या किसी चीज़ का नाम नेम होता है, लेकिन सेम थिंग्स का एक ही नाम होता है. लाइक बुक, सिटी, animal, boy, country, etc. Okay, so these are the example. Now proper noun. Now here proper noun. See, proper noun are the particular name given to certain common noun. Students, here you can see the example of common noun. Listen. See, book is a common noun, but if you are reading English book, Hindi book, so these are the special name of the book, that this is a Hindi book, this is a English book, but the commonly what we are saying that is a book. Okay, so book is the common noun and the special name of the common noun is called proper noun. Okay, so here the definition you see. Proper noun are the particular name given to the certain common noun. They always begin with capital letters. They always begin with capital letters. So these are the proper noun. Now example you see. Here you can see Amit and Sumit. Both are called boys. Both are boys. So boys is the, here you can see common noun and the special name of the boys are proper noun. Okay. Now same is Agra, New Delhi is the city. Cities are the common noun and the name of the cities are proper noun. Okay. Same as Ganga, Yamuna is the river. Sunday, Monday is the days. India, France is the countries. So here you can see here these all are the common noun, and here the name of the common nouns are called proper noun. So please remember, all of you, the special name of the common noun are called proper noun. I hope you all understand the common noun and proper noun. Now come on next page. Now third is collective noun. So according to name you can understand collective means like collection, a group of something. Now the definition of collective nouns are: collective nouns are words from group of people, animals or things. For example, students, so what is the definition of collective noun? Collective nouns are the words for group of people. These indicate the group of peoples, animals or things. Example you can see here. You all have to read it and learn it, okay? Army, a group of soldiers. Flock, a group of birds. Bucket, a group of flowers. Herd, a group of cattle. Bunch, a group of geese. Shoal, a group of fish. Fleet, a group of ships. Team, a group of players. Choir, a group of singers. Crowd, a group of people. Galaxy, a group of stars. Pride, a group of lions. Stand, a group of trees. And the swarm, a group of bees. So these are the example of collective noun. Students, you all have to read it and learn it, okay? So this is the explanation of your chapter 5. Now I am going to give you exercise A. Exercise A of this chapter. Here is the question. Pick out the noun in the following sentence and write them on the line. Your question is, Mumbai is a metropolitan city. Here is 2 lines. You all have to search the noun here. So your noun is Mumbai and city. Mumbai is the proper noun, city is the common noun. I have written here. Now second question, Ashoka was a great king. Ashoka was a great king. So Ashoka and king is the noun. I have written. You all have to write in this way. Now third, India is an Asian country. So India and the country is here. You all have to write. Now next fourth, cricket is a popular game. Cricket and game. And the fifth is Sunita Williams is an astronaut. Sunita Williams, astronaut is the common noun. So student, this is the answer of exercise A. You all have to write all the proper noun in the capital letter. First letter should be capital, okay? So student, this is the exercise A I have completed. If you are having any doubt in the explanation, you read this chapter again. You will be able to clear your doubts, and your homework is to learn the example of collective nouns, okay? Student, it is sufficient for today. In my next video I will give you another exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.